this is SEMRush. It's like $100 a month, which is pretty expensive. But if you do a lot of SEO, it's definitely worth it. And so like before, Ella, I was saying coffee, right? If you look at coffee has 2.7 million people that Google it per month, and it's 89% difficult, a KD, keyword difficulty of 89. A KD over 60 is hard to rank for unless you're a giant. So if Starbucks wanted to write about coffee and just coffee, maybe they take a swipe at it, okay? But if you're even like a medium-sized coffee brand, you will have no chance of making it into the top 10 for this gigantic keyword coffee. So, and if I type in like hazelnut flavored coffee, that has 320 searches and a keyword difficulty of 67. So way easier to rank for. Fewer people searching by a long shot, but we actually have a chance. So a cool thing about SEMrush is you can come into your fathead here. You can come into coffee and you can say, show me all the questions, the 278,000 questions that people ask about coffee. Here they all are, Ella. Okay. And some of them, as you can see, have a keyword difficulty of 87, 85, 80, and so on. So we can't write about any of these because we're a new coffee blog, remember, or a coffee brand. So I can actually do a search within these 278,000 keywords, and I can say, show me a volume from 50 readers to 1 million, and show me a keyword difficulty less than 65. And it will chew through all of these, and now there are 568 keywords we can choose from. How to grind coffee beans. This has a keyword difficulty of 63, very winnable, and 4,400 people that Google it. So now if we were to blog about something today, that might be a good thing to blog about. Why? Because when we do so, we have a chance of being in the top 10 of Google and therefore capturing some of those 4,400 readers. How many? Well, you can look this up, and it changes all the time, but the #1 search result on Google gets about 30% of the traffic. The #2 gets about 16, then 12, then 8, then 4. I can't really remember after that. So if you're in the top 5, 6 on Google, you're getting 4, 8, 12% of the total number. So if the total number is 4,400 and you get 10% of that, you get 440 readers per month visiting your blog post about how to grind coffee beans. And for a small website, 440 is probably more than you're going to get from any other means initially, right? So that one blog post could double your readership. And what I did for the hub is I, wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote. We published 40 articles a month, and we got hundreds of thousands of readers, but not from any one article. Each article was bringing in hundreds. And we published thousands of articles. And so every month we would get 268,000 readers to our website, but through 1,000 different articles. And that's how you build immense traffic, immense readership.